Hey everyone, I'm your Medico Madhu, also known as Dr. Madhumita. Today I'm going to tell you a story of this young, chirpy, bubbly girl called Richa. Richa is a college going girl. She is very sensitive, tender, kind hearted girl. One day when Richa went to her college, her friends start making fun of her, saying that she is obese and they start body shaming her. Richa, being the sensitive young girl, immediately goes to a doctor. The doctor asks her if she has a family history, for which Richa denies, saying there is none. Then he asks about whether she has recently noticed any increase in weight. Again, Richa says no. He also asks her about the diet that she is on, for which Richa again tells him about the full detailed account of what all things that she eats on a regular basis. The doctor also insists that Richa has to go for regular physical activity, have good quality sleep, and she should be stress free. Richa listens to everything attentively, and the doctor refers her to a nutritionist who gives her a good chart on what things she has to eat and what things she has to avoid. She comes back to the doctor. The doctor then gives her a chart which she has to maintain. One is weight. Every first of the month, she has to monitor for about 3 months in empty stomach. Second, her waist circumference, which she will be measuring at the narrowest part of her waist, and the hip circumference, which she will be measuring at the broadest part of her hip. He also tells her the importance of drinking plenty of water and to follow the lifestyle changes that he had just suggested to her and to follow the diet chart that the nutritionist had given her. Richa follows all these things religiously, being the very sincere girl she is. But at the end of 3 months, when she comes back to the doctor, she and the doctor both notices that there is not much of a difference in the weight. So the doctor had already alerted Richa that she has to make sure that if this is not settling with just lifestyle changes, she must have to rule out the other causes of obesity. So, being informed about it beforehand, Richa is ready for all the tests. So, he evaluates her for insulin resistance, for polycystic ovarian disease, thyroid disorder, Cushing syndrome, and the list goes on. Richa is finally diagnosed with Cushing syndrome, where there is an excess of steroid production in her body. So at the end of the week, Richa was started on medication in the next 2 to 3 months with good lifestyle changes, and also with the medication, Richa has shed few pounds. Richa goes to her friends and thank them, and the friends also understand how bad it is on their part to have criticized her. They could have rather helped her in a nice way and got her to attend to her present condition. So, why did I make the story this way? It is because obesity is not always because of unhealthy eating. We have to understand that yes, we can prevent obesity with good quality sleep, with good quality diet, with stress free living, and good physical activity. But in some cases, this might not be enough. It could be familial, it could be because of other conditions like thyroid disorder, like steroid excess, that is Cushing syndrome, as in our Richa. It could be because of insulin resistance, it could be because of polycystic ovarian disease, and the list goes on. But the good news is, starting from lifestyle changes to medications to surgery, we do have various options which are available to treat obesity and to create a healthy living. Hope this video was informative for you all, and I would be meeting you all again with another set of beautiful videos.